Alright, so we have several nucs here that we're going to check out. This one here is one that we split using a swarm cell out of another hive. So I want to take a look at it and see how it's doing, make sure that the swarm cell actually emerged, and just kind of look at them for overall health. And we have some bees in here, kind of hanging out doing their thing. We'll just set this frame to the side. We've got a foundation here we're starting to work on. And they haven't pulled yet. Pretty good little colony here. There's our queen cell, and you can see it emerged. So we have a queen cell here. You can see where it emerged, and I'm going to turn the frame around where you can get a little better view on the camera there. So this was also last week, so we would not expect this queen to be laying eggs yet. Maybe if we're lucky we'll see her. We expect her to be flying out soon, or have already flown out to begin her mating voyages. But mainly what we want to see is that she did emerge, and that we do have plenty of nurse bees in here. And the other thing I want to look for is that these guys have some food. I may have to put a feeder on them, because if they don't have any food stored, the nurse bees are not flying out. And just a little bit of nectar in there, but not much. They're actually not flying out to collect nectar. So this is going to be a candidate for feeding here. I'm going to do that today. Let's put a feeder on them. And there's another queen cell that emerged right there.
On this side too. Look
right here as well. So we got good odds that we'll get a queen right there.
Oh yeah, right there. All right.
So yeah, this is
no sign of the queen.
No sign of the queen, but at this stage she'll be small and immature, and they're a little harder to find. So we're going to put this hive back in, but I'm definitely going to put a feeder on this hive because they need it. They need the food and nourishment. So that'll be top priority to do that. This nuc, we have a laying queen in, so what we're going to check for this one is space, and we've got another nuc box that we can put on top if she needs more space. If she doesn't, we're not going to do anything. And here we have lots of empty combs, so it would appear that she's not going to need space. However, I've got a foundation I need to get the wax pulled, so we may put a foundation in here and let these guys work it. Nothing on that frame. Here, this one's got lots of pollen on it, so these guys have plenty of food. And we have larvae in here as well. So we have a laying queen. It's going to be really hard for that camera to pick that up. It's really hard to see in the bottom. We have a laying queen.
Now, how long ago did you split this hive?
This has been about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And this was a hive where we took the queen with us. So the queen was already here. And so there's larvae there. I see fresh eggs. So we've had a queen who was laying eggs within the last 3 days. And that's probably the most valuable thing you want to look at, is that, hey, I got a queen here. It's doing her job. There's lots of capped. This hive is looking decent. I don't see the queen, but that doesn't mean she's not hiding somewhere. We're not going to worry too much about that at the moment. So all I'm going to do Let's take advantage of them a little bit here and get some fresh wax pulled on a frame that I need. I think we have a laying queen. Get a little more rope too. Just give them a little more space. Frames look okay. Those are pretty good looking frames. There we go.